right, number 1, repeat. A.
A.
Write it. And what? Yes. Breathe on top. Okay. E.
E.
Okay, voice is off because we're recording, please. Number 3, other than when you repeat. Number 3, it.
I.
Number 4, O.
O.
Number 5,
U.
regular voice. Number 6, A.
A.
A, macron. We can probably say that, A, macron. Number 7, E.
E.
Number 8, I.
I.
I know that's kind of hard to repeat it, isn't it? You still need to repeat the sound and say the letters. So you're going to say I, twice. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Sound, repeat. O.
O.
There you go. You got it. Okay. Number 10. U.
U.
Okay. Number 11. B.
B.
Make sure you put your B the right way so it looks like a B and not a D. Number 11. D. Oh, sorry. D. No. Repeat the sound. D.
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 That's 12, not 11.
You better hurry because we're moving on. Number 13. It's okay. Number 14. G.
D.
Make sure your G's are the right way. Number 15.
H.
Number 16. J.
J.
J. Number, okay, now this one's the one that you have to do 2 things on. Number 17. K. No, K, comma, C. K, comma, C. Yep. Number 18. Ooh. Very good. Number 19. Hey, you are on recording. And actually, you're not. Yes, you are. Okay. You are on recording. Your parents can come back and see this. Let's make sure we're doing this correctly, okay? Other students will see this as well later. Let's not waste their time and our time, please. Number 19. What is it?
M.
Number 20. 21.
P.
22. 23. 24. 25. 26. What? Number 27. Yup. 28,
Z.
29.
X.
Okay, now boys and girls, we are going to do your test, okay, or your assessment is what we're going to call it, okay? So I am going to hand out your assessment. I'm going to put pause on here, hand out your assessment, and you're going to put your name. Boys and girls, look, did you write your name?
Yes.
Okay, now, look at the line by number 1. See this line?
Yes.
Right here. Okay. Write the number that tells how many letters are in our alphabet. We talked about this. You should know this. You shouldn't have to count them. You should know this without counting. How many letters are in our alphabet? Okay, number 2. On the line by number 2, make a breathe, or the sign that tells you that a vowel is short. Well, then you can count. Okay, you're not supposed to say numbers out loud. Just write up what you think on there. We talked about it this week more than once. Number 3. In this box, you need to circle all of the vowels. Circle all of the vowels in that box. The test. You guys are supposed to know these already. You're supposed to just draw what a breathe looks like. When you make a short vowel, tell me what a breathe is. You don't have to draw a vowel or anything, just the picture. Okay? No, you're not supposed to say anything. And you have to make sure that we are not telling everybody else. This is a test. You are giving answers. This is a test to see what everybody knows. Keep your answers to yourself. You're just supposed to write them. You are not supposed to say anything during a test unless you have a question. And therefore you raise your hand. So there is no talking unless you raise your hand. Do you understand? Thank you. Okay, number 4. Look at the box by number 4. Circle all the consonants. Circle all of the consonants. Put your pencil in the air so I know that when you are done, please. code all the words in number 5. Like we did yesterday, code the words or the letters. You know, there's only certain letters you code. You don't have to code all of them. Only certain letters that you code. So read the word and then sound it out. Code what the word is. On all 4 of those. Okay? You're coding them. Like we did yesterday on the worksheet. Yes, some spelling. Remember when we matched the pictures, we coded the word and then we matched it with a picture? Okay, you need to code these words. Okay, if you're watching the video and you need more time, you guys can pause. Coding means you are putting a macron on a letter, a breve on a letter that might need it, or a K-back on a letter that might need it. Those are the only rules we have learned so far, so that is all you have to do. Okay. Boys and girls, look at line by number 6. Okay. You are going to echo the sound that I say. You are going to not say the letter, just the sound. You're only echoing the sound. Do you understand? What are you echoing?
Sound.
Okay, so you are just saying exactly what I say and nothing more. Do you understand?
Okay.
And you are writing it on the line. Okay. Number 6. Echo this sound. Write it. Number 6. Number 7. Echo this sound. Ah.
Ah.
You can code it if you would like to. Number 8. Echo. G. Number 9. Echo. Ah.
Oh.
Number 10. Echo. I'll help you if you get messed up at the end, okay? Just look at number 11 right now, because we're going to be on it. Number 11. Okay, listen. We are going to then listen to the words that come out of my mouth, okay? Listen. I will help you at the end. I want you to be on number 11. I don't want any letters to be on number 11. Erase whatever you have on number 11. And number 11, you're going to write the sound, echo, eh.
Eh.
Number 12, echo, b. Number 13, echo,
Oh.
and number 14, echo, it.
Eh.
Okay. Now, you are done with this first part of the assessment. Boys and girls, what I'm going to have you do is have some of you come back and you're going to have to say these words in the back. You're going to read them to me. Okay? When I want you to read them to me, you're going to have to be very careful. If you need to sound them out, sound them out. Understand?